This is a white 52-inch Harbor Breeze unknown ceiling fan here in the living room of my condo. There it is right there. There's the beach again. Thought I'd just show you that. This is actually the light, but it's to the fan. Alright, there's the fan. Top of it. It's a Harbor Breeze. And I'm gonna have to go over here, see which one. Alright. There's the light. It's got two LED lights in there. Kind of like candles, are really nice. I'm gonna go turn the fan on itself. Alright. There we go. Gonna start on low. Sorry about that. That's my mom. I'm kind of in a hurry because I'm gonna go down to the beach in a little while. So I'm gonna try to make this video quick. So that's why I'm kind of in a hurry. So yeah, I'm gonna try to make this video quick because I'm gonna go down to the beach. That's why. Alright, so there's Lowe. Really nice fan. That's Lowe. And there's the reverse switch. I'm gonna turn it up to medium. Sit in the chair here, I can get a better view of it. There we go. Yeah, I'm kind of in a hurry to get down to the beach. I want to make this video quick. There's medium. Woo, it's very nice. And I'm gonna turn it to high. Blows even more air on high. I'm gonna make this video. Yeah, once again, I gotta make this video quick. I'm kind of in a hurry. I'm getting ready to go down to the beach, so I gotta make this video quick. But it blows even. So there it is on high. I'll go turn the light on real quick. Switches are over here. Let's see that. Oops, nope, wrong switch. There we go. I always leave this on high in here because it's pretty high. I always leave this fan running. Alright. So there you go, and that's the fan here in the living room, here in the condo. See, there's a mirror of it. Alright. Hope y'all enjoyed. Until then, that's gonna be it for right now. Hope y'all enjoyed it. That's it.